Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to merge or join multiple videos together using Media3 transformer in native Android application. So here you can see in the output like I am trying to merge two videos. Now the videos are pretty long, that's why you are getting this progress bar. So here you can see that I was able to join two videos. I will show you the code later. For now I have just hard coded the video URL. These two videos which I have joined, it can be more than two, up to you. So if in this two videos which I have joined, I have both of these videos are located on a network URL. So I want to show you that as well. So here you can see, so this is the first video of this cat, and now the second video is playing. So this is the second video which has been joined to this first video. So this is the output for the first demo, which is the main activity. I've also created one second activity where the user will pick video from his local storage or from his phone, and then we will join those two videos. So I'll simply change this intent filter so that my second activity is my main activity now, and I'll quickly run the app. Then I would be able to pick multiple videos from my device and join them together, so you can have a better clarity on what exactly I'm trying to do. So here you can see I have this pick video button, and if I click on it, it presents me with this video picker. So I will select this 1 minute long video first. Okay, again I'll click on pick video, and I'll select this 15 seconds long video, which is the second video, and I'll click on convert now. If you want, you can pick more videos, but again just for simplicity I'm picking the smaller videos so that I can quickly show you guys the output. Hopefully this should get completed pretty soon. For the first output which I show you, I did not have any button as such because I was directly joining those two videos, because those were stored on a network URL, right? That's why. But yeah, if you want, you can have one button as well, and then call the appropriate function like I did on the second activity. By the time this conversion is happening, quickly create an Android project. I'm using XML layout, but if you want, you can use Jetpack Compose as well. Then just create one more activity. So I have created this second activity as well, and then inside Android manifest I have added this internet and read write external storage permission, because once I have joined the video, I'm saving the file to external storage, and then I'm playing the video. So okay, so my internet just went off, but I'll show you the output at the very end. Sorry about that. I'll just because my device, like the video has finished playing, like it has finished merging, but my internet went off, so I think that's fine. I'll quickly explain you the code, and at the very end I'll quickly show you the output of the second demo again. So I have added this internet permission and read write external storage permission. Then inside, given that I am using this version catalog thing, I have also added this Media3 exo player dependency, and here I have added this all this common effect exo player HLS transformer as well as UI. I have added all this dependency. Then you will have to go to build.gradle.kts, and you will have to write this bit of code. So you will have to reference those libraries which you have added inside libs.versions.toml, and then you can just click on sync now. It will download all the dependencies for you. Okay, so the next thing which we have to do is, after doing this to setup is I'll show you my main activity first. So here, as you can see, I have just taken one player view to display the video once those video URLs have been merged into a single video. And then I have created one progress bar as well. The progress bar will be displayed once your merging is still in progress. I'm using a circular progress bar, but if you want, you can use a linear progress bar as well, where you can show the user how much progress has happened from 0 to 100. I haven't shown you that, but I am doing that in my code as well. Okay, it is not showing me those logs because again my net went down. Anyways, I'll show you that output as well soon. Here you can see inside my main activity, so these are all the imports. So firstly, you can copy paste all these imports which I have added. There are some unused imports as well, ignore those. Then I am extending transformer.listener. I have created our exo player as well as player view. This is for progress bar. This is our file name. Playback position is 0, play when ready is true. Here is our transformer. This would be the file path for saving the file to external storage, and these are the two video URLs. If you want, you can take more video URLs as well, it's up to you. Then I have created one handler as well as progress holder as well. Then here I have created a mutable list of read write external storage permission. Then we really don't need this array list of effects, so I'll just remove that. And for permission on older Android device, we need the read write external storage permission, so that's what I'm doing over here. Then inside on create, I'm just initializing our progress bar as well as our input player view, and then I'm just calling this request transformer permission. So if you want to call this method on a button click or something else, you can do that. So this will actually start all the transformation. Here we are initializing our input player, okay, and here this is how we release our player. And on stop we want to release our player. On destroy also we want to release our player. And here we just call request transformer permission. So if you are from Android R, then you can just call the setup transformer, otherwise you have to get the user's permission, because we are saving the file to external storage. Then here inside setup transformer, if the video player is already playing some video, I'm stopping that, so that's why I'm calling release player over here. Then I'm just calling transform video from over here. So inside transform video, we first display our progress bar, then we initialize our transformer. Here we create our media item. Now because I have two video URLs, that's why I'm not using a loop, but inside second activity I will also show you how to use a loop. That's why I have just hard coded this two media items for now, because I know there would be two URLs, but I'll show you how to do it via a list as well. I mean, it's not that difficult. Then for this two media item, we have to create this edited media item as well. So I'm creating, given that these are two, we have to create two edited media items as well, and then just pass it to this edited media item sequence. Then we just create a composition using this composition dot builder. Here I create our external file, then pass our composition as well as our file's absolute path. Then we create this handler which will track the progress. So here you can see there is two variables which I'm tracking. One is the progress state and one is the actual progress. So the progress state can either be 0, 1 and 2, and the progress holder's progress would be from 0 to 100. I will show you later on when I show you the second output, so that you will understand it better. Then here we are creating our external file. So this is how we create it, and this is how we save file to external storage. So you can just copy paste this code. Even I have copy pasted from Stack Overflow. I don't understand it fully, so yeah, just copy pasted. And given that we were extending this transformer dot listener at the top, we will have to override two methods, on completed and on error. So on completed gets called when everything is successfully merged in a single video, and on error is called when there is some error, obviously. So here once on completed is called, we display our input player, initialize our input player, and then we just call this add video to gallery. So this saves file to external storage, and then we just hide our progress bar. The next, for on error, in case if there is any error, so we just hide our input player as well as progress bar and just display a toast message. Now coming back to the second activity, it is pretty much same as the first activity, so I won't go in that much detail. So I have just one more button for picking video from external storage. This is the player view, same as main activity, and here I have one more button for calling the convert method. So and convert as in it will merge those two videos, okay. And here I have one progress bar as well. So here is our second activity. So I'll first, so these are all the imports. So if you want, you can just copy paste all these imports which I have. Then here is our input player. This everything is same, okay. So this entire part is same as main activity. Okay, we don't need this. Here the two things which I have created is I have created a mutable list of video URLs. So whenever user picks a new video from his external storage or from his device, we will append it to this, and we require this edited media item as well, which I will show you shortly. So here you can see on the first pick video button, we basically call this method. So we are only picking by video. Once we have the URI, I just append it to our video URL list, okay. Also we don't need this, sorry about that. So we just append it to our video URL list, and here okay, so here this again is the same. This part is same. So here on transform, so this is our convert button. Here we just call our setup transformer, and for picking video, this is how I pick video. So yeah, and this is same as I shown you in the main activity. This is same as well, same, this is same, this is also same, this is same. Okay, so here once for transform video we just loop through this, and once we get the we created an edited media list item, so append our edited media item dot builder to our edited media list item, then we create an edited media item sequence from it, and then we just create a composition like we saw in the last activity, main activity, and then just pass our composition to it. This is for tracking the progress. Here how we create the external file, same as previous video, main activity, and this again the same thing. So I'll simply scroll through this for saving file to external storage, and this is same as well. It's just that inside on completed I am clearing out this two as well because our list, so that in case if the user picks a new video, the older video should not get appended. And here we just create our save file to external storage, and in case of error we just hide input player as well as our progress bar, and just display one toast message. So okay, my net connection is back. I'll quickly run this video, and I will also show you the output inside my logcat as well. So I'll go to over here. Okay, I'll just clear this. Okay, I'll remove this running devices. Okay, I'll click on pick video again, and here you can see previously there were 4 videos, now there are 5 videos, and the first video was joined from the previous output which I couldn't show. But anyways, I'll select the last video which is 1 minute long video, then again I'll click on pick video. I'll select the third video which is 15 seconds long video, and I'll click on convert. So our output video should be almost 1 minute 15 seconds long. Hopefully that's the output we get. Also inside logcat, so here you can see I'm tracking the actual progress of how much conversion has happened. The two which you see is the progress state, and this second value 9, 10 level is the actual progress of how much conversion has happened. The second value might not reach till 100 because firstly the videos are small, and secondly I have also added 500 milliseconds delay for the progress here, which you can see over here. But as I told you, the first value progress state will go to 0. That's how you can know the completion has happened. Also you have these two methods, on completed and on error, from which you can know that the completion has happened. Okay, so let's just wait. It's joining those two videos. Okay, so hopefully this is done. So here you can see, and if I show you the length, it is 1 minute 15 seconds long. So this is how the first video ends, and now the second video has started playing. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.